The China Conservation and Research Center for the Giant Panda is home to the largest and most successful panda breeding program in the world. The center is located in Wolong, Sichuan province. Here, there are 119 pandas, representing 60% of all breeding pandas in captivity worldwide. Giant pandas are an endangered species and are native to central and southern China. They are notoriously difficult to breed in captivity because of a low fertility rate, low survival rate for cubs, and other difficulties in breeding. Two cubs, perhaps from the group pictured here, will soon come to Hong Kong. The cubs will be chosen as gifts for Hong Kong to mark the 10th anniversary of the handover. Hong Kong presently has two pandas, An An and Jia Jia, which reside at Ocean Park. The pandas to arrive in time for the July handover anniversary will be 4 years old by 2008. This means they will be old enough to deliver babies, raising hopes the pair can produce the first ever panda cub to be born in Hong Kong. For the South China Morning Post, this is Celine.